You're tuning in from, this is me, the morning hour, if you've just tuned. And you're listening to Radio R, your home of African music. My name is Jewel, the media princess. It's already 11:01 a.m. East African time, and it's about time we introduce our topic of discussion. Lakini let me remind you that today is a political Monday. Ama moshene ya siasa. That's how we call it hapa ndani ya mid morning hour. But let us listen to one or two songs as I tell you some of the shenanigans that is happening on politics, yeah? Tukirudi nitawaambia story before we jump into our topic of discussion. Sawa, tune in. Tell a friend to tune in right now on mid morning hour, your daily walk drive. On Instagram it's Radio R 99.2 FM, Facebook Radio R, Twitter Radio R FM _ na pia pale kwenye TikTok ni Radio R FM. And don't forget, usitutumie text pekee ama DM. Also follow us, tell a friend to share, okay? But before we jump into our topic of discussion, sawa, wacha nipitie some of the comments as I give you our by the way story, okay? So kuna mtu anasema good morning G, tune in from Umoja One, thank you so much for tuning in. Hi G, James from Kamakis anasema tunakusikiza loud and clear. Thank you so much, God bless you. Hi G, Kevo from Kayole tuned. Tunakupata vipoa. Thank you. Ambia my neighbors, my colleagues na kila mtu around you to tune in. Sawa Kevo. Hi Media Princess Alice from CBD. Niko hapa na beshti wangu. Sawa, salimia beshti sana. Mwambie tune in and stay tuned in to Radio R, your home of African music. We have Lucy from Rongai anasema listening with my buddy here. Thank you so much. Hi Media Princess, how you doing? Amos from Zima anasema G, nilikuona mahali ama si wewe. Ebu fafanua. Inadepend uliniona wapi. Kama uliniona kwa ndege, you know, airport TV, kwa mall, you know, ni mimi. Lakini kwa mararu, si mimi. That's not me. That's not my real face, so, But anyways, thank you so much. Naongesalimiana Amos, Hata kama si mimi ama ni mimi, just give it a try. Probably ni mimi, au sio? Thank you so much. Kuna mtu anaitwa Waithera from Yekoba. Thank you so much. Anasema tune in. Waambie leo manguo ni kamera. Come one, come all. Thank you so much. Hakuna nguo kali kama za kamera. You guys, have you ever bought hizi nguo za Gikomba zinaitwa za kamera? You have to try. Waithera wa Gikomba, give us your number to pep how we can reach you. Alafu tukuje makladi, au sio? Nasri from Kikuyu anasema tuko ndani, weekend ilikuwa aje? Friday ulienda wapi? Mimi kama G wa Weru, Friday nilikuwa nimeenda kutembea kiasi. Vacation hivi na boss wangu asinisikie. Probably nilipeana sick leave. Na mimi nasema niko vacation, but anyway, all is well. Nilikuwa travel kiasi, but now I am back as if I never left. I am back. But right about now, let's jump into our by the way story, because it's already 11:08 a.m. East African time, and I need to jump into our topic of discussion. But before that, don't forget today is a political Monday. Ama hapa ndani ya Radio R, hapa ndani ya mid morning R show. We call it moshene ya siasa. Sawa, tunakuja tunachambua any moshene. Which politician did what? Which politician did Kerea and this and that and this. Okay? But right about now. So recently, when we had our maandamano last week Wednesday, okay? We all know watu wa Mlolongo walifanya majambos. We all know that what our people from Mlolongo did, okay? And waliharibu the, what is it called, expressway, okay, from Lolongo, Syokimau and the SGR toll station, okay, and waliharibu maua. I don't know if you've ever passed through that route. Probably you've passed through the expressway ama uko kando kwa barabara za sisi watu wa kawaida, yeah, you've seen the expressway, okay? It's so beautiful. Wameka flowers, there are flowers, some pots, you know, kuna fence, yeah, ya kuzuia the intruders na watu wa kuvuka barabara bila kutumia flyover, you know, there is something like imetengenezwa vizuri sana, okay? But now, during the protest, which was on Wednesday last week, watu wa Mlolongo walifanya ile jambo. Wakanesa walifanya ile jambo. But anyway, this is where I'm landing, okay? After the expressway, staffs, his offense, and the flowers were so destroyed, yeah? It was temporarily closed, okay? But good news, it has been lifted. The suspension of the operations along at the Mlolongo, Syokimau, and the SGR toll stations along the Nairobi Expressway, has been lifted, okay? But that's not the point. That's not what I want us to discuss or just have to go over a whole, okay? What I want us to be shocked with, if you did get this message, let me now give it to you, okay? If you didn't get this information, now this is how you're going to get it, yeah? Let me get it to you. So the Transport Cabinet Secretary Kipchumba Murkomen, during a subsequent inspection of the road, said that the damage incurred could be over 706.7 million. Okay? Sijui kama tumepatana. Sijui acha nifafanue na lugha ya Kiswahili ndio tupatane so that we can be on the same page, okay? So, when the protest was done on Wednesday, watu wa Mlolongo walifanya ile jambo, some flowers, pots, fences were destroyed, okay? Along the expressway. And now, when the CS of Transport, Kipchumba Murkomen, went to inspection and all that to look what was damaged and all that, okay? He came to a conclusion that the damages would cost over 706.7 million. Okay? Sitaki kusema kama ni uongo ama ni ukweli, but surely tukiulizana kama wa Kenya, like good human beings we are. Yani, you want to tell me those pots, those white pots that have flowers, with those fences that almost pale wajua kali anaweza tutengeneza na 700 kila fence, ina cost 706.7 million. You guys, sina maoni. Tell me through our social media platform and also our WhatsApp number, which is +254 104 25 80 35. What do you think about that? Kwa sababu mimi, it doesn't add up. Haya add up kabisa. 706.7 million. Maua na fence. Please.